Hello everyone, welcome to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to add or remove alias email addresses for a user mailbox in Exchange 2019. A primary email address in Exchange is generally the email address a user was assigned when their account was created in the Exchange organization. When the user sends email to someone else, their primary email address is what typically appears in the from field in the email messages. Users can also have more than one email address associated with their account. Or maybe sometime we need to add another email address to the existing user. In Exchange Server, we can configure more than one email address for the same mailbox. The additional addresses are called proxy addresses or the alias email addresses. With the help of proxy address, user can receive emails that is sent to a different email address. Any email message sent to the user's proxy address is delivered to their primary email address, which is also known as the primary SMTP address or the default reply address. In this guide, we will use Exchange Admin Center and Exchange Management Shell to add alias email address for a user mailbox. To start, we need to access the Exchange Admin Center. And for that, I'm going to click on Internet Explorer and type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key to access Exchange Admin Center. Click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Recipients section and then we need to click on Mailboxes tab. In the list of user mailboxes, click on the mailbox for which you want to add an alias email address to. In this example, we need to assign a user with the primary SMTP address priyanka.bhattacharya@msftwebcast.com to a shorter email address, or you can say a shorter alias email address named priyankab@msftwebcast.com. You can see this is the user mailbox Priyanka Bhattacharya and the email address is priyanka.bhattacharya@msftwebcast.com. And due to this longer email address, we want to assign a shorter alias email address to this user mailbox. So let's select the user mailbox and click on Edit icon. On Mailbox Property page, let me maximize it. We need to click on Email Address tab. The primary SMTP address is displayed in a bold text in the address list with the uppercase SMTP value, which we can see here. Okay, this is the primary email address of our user mailbox Priyanka Bhattacharya. To add alias email address or a proxy email address, we need to click on this plus icon. Here I'm going to select the radio button SMTP. Under email address, specify the email address which you want to add as a proxy email address. In our case, I'm going to specify priyankab@msftwebcast.com. This is going to be the alias address for our user mailbox Priyanka Bhattacharya. Fine. Let's click on OK. And now the alias email address will be listed under email address. Now suppose if you want to remove any existing alias email address, that time you simply need to select that email address and click on this remove icon to remove it. And then after you simply need to click on save to save the changes. Fine. One more setting is that here we can see this checkbox is selected. Clear this checkbox if you do not want to automatically update email addresses based on the email address policy which is currently applying on this user mailbox. Because by default, user's email address is based on the email address policy which you have defined in your Exchange environment. So suppose if you don't want that, you can simply clear this checkbox, and that we are not going to do. Let's click on Save button to save the changes. Perfect. We have successfully added one alias email address to our user mailbox Priyanka Bhattacharya. To test that, I'm going to click on Google Chrome. And let's type in URL https://mail.msftwebcast.com/over to access Outlook on the web. Let's sign in as our user Anand Panchal. We want to check whether we can send email message to our user Priyanka Bhattacharya using that alias email address. Let's compose a new mail by clicking on New. And in a to field, I'm going to manually specify the email address priyankab@msftwebcast.com. Okay, let's add a subject. Let's click on Send to send the message. Okay, message has been sent successfully. Now let's sign out from this user mailbox. And let's sign in using the credential of our user Priyanka Bhattacharya. Let's select the time zone and click on Save. As you can see, the user Priyanka has successfully received that mail which was sent on that user's alias email address. Let's click on it. And you can see this mail was sent by our user Anand Panchal. Fine. Now let's jump to Exchange Management Shell because we also want to see how we can use set-mailbox SIMDelete to add an alias email address to the mailbox. We'll use the command set-mailbox. Then we need to specify switch-identity. And let's add email alias for our user mailbox Yatin Thakur. Yatin Thakur. Let me confirm the name. Okay, Yatin Thakur. And now we are going to use switch-email address. So our full SIMDelete is going to be set-mailbox-identity Yatin Thakur-email address add yatint@msftwebcast.com. Now we need to press Enter key. To verify this, we can use get-mailbox SIMDelete or we can use Exchange Admin Center as well. Let's use SIMDelete get-mailbox-identity and it is going to be Yatin Thakur. Pipe format list and email address. Let's press Enter key. I think it is email addresses. Okay, here we can see the email addresses for our user mailbox Yatin Thakur. yatint@msftwebcast.com and this is the primary one yatin.thakur@msftwebcast.com. So from the output of the SIMDelete, we can verify that we have successfully added alias email address to our user mailbox Yatin Thakur using the SIMDelete set-mailbox. That's all for this video on how to add or remove alias email address in Exchange Server 2019. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.